Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to take off the rear bumper cover. This applies to your 2002 to 2006 Honda CRV. The only reason I decided to make this video is because I couldn't find one anywhere that showed how to take the bumper cover off. So, had a little accident. Someone rear-ended my wife the other day. So I need to get this bumper cover off to see the extent of the damage underneath. I think it's just the cover, and got a couple options in that case. We can either try to fix this, push this dent out, probably won't ever be right again though, or we'll just swap it out for a new one. So it's actually not really hard. There's just a few steps to get it undone. All right, so you'll see we have some covers right here that cover fasteners. That goes for both sides. You'll see that in order for us to get this black plastic off, we're going to have to remove this and get it out of the way. That way this can come off over that. You've got a bolt right there. Up by the wheels, it's held on by a couple of screws that also hold on this mud guard here. I know it's muddy, sorry about that, but there's a couple of Phillips head screws there that kind of holds it around that side. This is pressed. There's plastic clips that hold it through there. I'll show you. On this side you can see where they popped out because of the accident. Just kind of pushed into here. Get something behind those clips and they kind of pop right out. Obviously on this side you're not going to have clips like that. It's just a bolt here and a bolt here, and then these two bolts here. In my case, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to try to just take this side off and see if I can pull the bumper away just a little bit and use some heat and knock this dent out, because in my case, if I can save this bumper cover, I'm going to do that. There's two screws. You can see this is kind of coming loose here. Actually, it's enough to get it out of the way. There is one more clip that holds it on back up in there. Let's see, there is a screw up in here. It's a screw. There's a whole lot of tension on it right now, just because of the damage here. Let's see that screw out. You can see now it just kind of comes right off here on the side. We can get a look in here. So there is just a little bit of damage to the metal underneath. You can see right there where it's kind of folded the corner. All right, so I'm gonna use a 9mm socket here. See, that's really all there is to get the thing off. The other side, there's just a couple. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these, make it easier. See, I've got this loose here. All right, so I showed you two screws, and then a longer screw goes at the top. We got two bolts over here. We got two bolts over here, and then the same screws on the in the wheel well over here, and then this whole thing will come right off. Okay, so putting another one back on in its place, a new one, is just the exact reverse removal. It's actually pretty easy. The only thing, usually the bumpers don't come with these reflectors. To get these out, if you look inside of here, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, there's a little metal clip, you'll see it. You just push the metal clip and push out on this side, and then it kind of pulls out like that. That's not too hard, so you can transfer those over. So just a real quick video. I know I didn't show everything on pulling it off and putting it back on, but that's because I'm going to try to save this one. But there wasn't really anything out there on how to do this. So for your second gen, your 2.5 gen CRVs, that's how you get the bumper off.